Question 1. Which of the following relations are functions? Okay, so to be a function, every object can only have one image. If the object has more than one image, it is not a function. So let's check. This object has one image. This object has one image. This object also has one image. So this is a function. If this object had two images like this, then it's not a function. In this case, this one only has one image, this one also only has one image, even though they both share the same image. That is fine. Okay, essentially every object can only have one image, so it's a function. Here this object has two images, so not a function. This one object, one image, one object, one image, one object, one image. Okay, so this is a function. Okay, I'll give you a quick tip. If it's a one-to-one relationship or a many-to-one relationship, it is a function. Basically, the end must be 1, because one object must only have one image. So this is many-to-one function. This is one-to-many. So the end is many, right? So it's not a function. This is many to one. So at the end is 1, so it is a function.